Age spots, also known as liver spots, are a common problem that occur due to an excess production of melanin or skin pigment. Typically, the excess pigment is a result of excessive sun exposure. These spots can also be caused by the use of tanning lamps and tanning beds. So here are some home remedies for age spot. So number one is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a good remedy to make age spot less noticeable and improve your skin tone. It contains alpha hydroxydicer that work as an excellent skin exfoliating agent. This in turn helps light age and spot. Another patchy areas on your skin. Mix equal parts of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar and water. Add a little honey. Apply it on affected skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse it off. Do this once daily. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of organic apple cider vinegar to a 1 glass of water. Drinking once or twice a daily to improve your skin as well as our health. So number 2 is lemon. Lemon juice contains mild citric acid that helps remove dead skin cells by breaking down the melanin pigments. As it removes the darker skin layer and reveal new skin underneath, the age spot gradually start to lightening. The vitamin C in lemon also works as antioxidant that protects your skin from free radical damage. Apply the juice from a fresh lemon to the affected skin. Let it sit your skin for 10 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Do it twice a daily. If you have extra sensitive skin, dilute the lemon juice with rose water before applying it on skin. Also, you can squeeze the juice of one lemon into a bowl and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fine sugar. Gently scrub your skin with the mixture for a few minutes. Then leave it for 30 minutes and rinse your skin. Use this remedy once or two times a week.